So what do you think very unique about this business model, and why do you think the mothers, especially mothers, should leverage it? Why I'm asking especially mothers is, and see, as a mother, before being a motherhood, the journey is completely different. All we have is take care of ourselves, and then the profession and our goals, aspirations, and that is it. But after being a mother, everything is a full-time job. Cooking, taking care of the family and the children is a full-time job. If I'm going for work, then it is again a second full-time job. Or if I'm starting a business, then it is again a full-time job. So it is like we are taking too many full-time jobs in our hands, and we get completely exhausted, and the stress is there seen in the family as well. And so now we have to have the conscious choices, right? And to have that balanced life, relaxed life, because every mother deserves it, right? Not all the toiling and getting sick very at the early 40s and 50s for the rest of the life. That's not what we wanted, right? So that's why I'm so particular why mothers should choose it.
Yes, definitely, Aishwarya. I will say that the unique thing is that this system, the whole business, work on a sales funnel system. Yeah. So which will minimize your work. Yeah. You just enter those people who are interested in the business, they want to know more about, into your sale funnel, and then the sale funnel systematically work, and it will bring you sales, and you will have new distributors and all that. And because of the sale funnel system, that 90% work is done by the automation, only 10% left for the mothers. Mothers are busy, whether they are stay-at-home moms, whether they are working professionals. Yeah. We take granted the mothers as a stay-at-home mom, like they don't do anything, but whereas they are on their toes for 24/7, and their jobs are never ending, and they don't have time for themselves either, because there's a hallucination like they don't do anything, they're just at home, but they are the pillar of your house. They are doing each and everything for you ready, because you can go to school, you can go to jobs and all that. So this system, I think, is beneficial for all those mothers. They are even stay-at-home moms, they are working professionals, so they can easily manage this business with the pockets of time, whatever time they have, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes in a day. So they can utilize that time, and they can build something which can empower them in future to be financially stable and manage all those financial circumstances, like if they want to visit the back home families, if they have to buy some presents, so easily they can take out that money, and they can enjoy the freedom and flexibility with the help of this business platform. That's a unique thing, and I really appreciate all those mothers who really want to, after their busy life, they really want to build something which can empower them, make them financially stable, make them give them a personal growth. Like when the mothers are stay-at-home mom, even I've been stay-at-home mom for 6 months, I realized that I'm giving up on everything. Yeah. And then there's a stage, all those working professionals working with you, even they stop talking to you, and you've left alone. And especially when you are in these sort of countries where, like UK, Europe, you don't have extended family members here, you are just by your own. Yeah. So you're staying at home with a baby or a toddler for like 24 hours, caring for the child, you giving up on yourself, and later you didn't realize that you are in an anxiety and depression. So I will say to all my sisters, mothers, whoever sitting at home, they have professional degrees, they have education, but they can't pursue their career due to some personal reasons. This is the best opportunity for you. Do reach out to Shwarya, get the basic information, which is completely free. If you think this is for you, then pay the trial, and we will looking forward to see you in the business.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Hina. And that was wonderful talking with you today. And I think your insights are very much valuable for all of us to hear it. Thank you. And